Hello guys, today we are going to see about variables in Java. In every programming language, variable plays a vital role in a programming language. In Java also, variable is very important. So see about data types. Data types is classified into two types. The first one is primitive data type and the next one is non-primitive data type. The primitive data type consists of integer, floating point, characters and booleans. The non-primitive data type consists of classes, interface, arrays. And coming to the floating point integer, before that we are going to see about integer. Integers is nothing but it is consists of the byte, short, int and long. And the floating points are nothing but the float and double, that is nothing but the fraction precision, and the characters is nothing but the letters and numbers. It consists of 2 bytes. And coming to the boolean, it is nothing but the true or false conditions, that is the value of 1 byte. And here the byte consists of minus 128 to 127 byte, and short consists of minus 32 to 768 to plus 32 to 767, that consists of 2 bytes.